And we're here in the main University Center for the Arts building where the Avenir has a satellite gallery. And we're in Nothing to Sneeze At, One Woman, 1,107 Handkerchiefs. And so we do address a little bit of the ew part of the function of a handkerchief. But what this exhibition really focuses on is the beauty behind something that is so simple. And then we've got some examples of different fabrics and things that you can choose from, that you can actually practice folding a pocket square. And there are many different styles of pocket squares. Because those became popular in the sort of 30s and 40s, some of the ways of folding them became associated with movie stars like Fred Astaire. So you might have the Fred Astaire pocket square. We also have an exhibition that's called Orange, and it is about the color orange, particularly about orange in 20th century fashion. And it explores what we think about orange, how we perceive orange through our eyes, a sort of scientific process that happens, but also how we emotionally connect to the color orange. And it presents a timeline on our sort of main large stage area in the Blackwell Gallery. And over in the main Avenir this semester, we have the show Fabrication. And it's something a little bit different than we've done at the Avenir before because we're showing fiber art.